Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can connect the OctaFX to TradingView. So a lot of people are asking how to connect OctaFX to TradingView. So let me just clear this up first before this part is really important. So I'm currently in the TradingView, and down here at the bottom, I will just have to click on the trading panel. And now as you can see here, I'm just going to click on this view all the brokers. So the TradingView shows a list of the brokers that you could connect directly. So you will see the brokers like Wanda, FXCM, Capital.com, and a few others. But if we scroll through this list, you will notice something that OctaFX is not in here. And that's because OctaFX does not directly have an integration with TradingView. So there's no option where you can just log into OctaFX account inside the TradingView and then place trades directly from here. So even if you search for it, it won't show up because this means that you cannot directly connect OctaFX to TradingView's trading panel the way other brokers do. So what most other traders do instead is they use TradingView only for charting and analysis, and they place their trades manually on the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 using their OctaFX account. So some traders also use TradingView alerts with third-party tools or even webhooks to automate trades, but again, that's not a native or direct connection. So it really requires extra setup and external services. So just to be very clear, that if you're looking for OctaFX inside the TradingView panel, you are not missing anything. It's simply not supported directly. So the TradingView for analysis, and then OctaFX on MetaTrader 4 or 5 for execution. So that's it. That's how it works right now. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!